What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rainbow Leak. I got my cousin with me today. What's up?
What's up?
Alright, so we about to hit this car meet right quick. I gotta put some music over it. Y'all hear them, they already hit. But we gotta put some music over it because of copyright. So, and I ain't trying to get copyrighted again because you do it too many times, they take your stuff out. So make sure y'all go below, subscribe to the channel, hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a video. And we about to get this thing. Absolutely not.
Huh?
Absolutely not. Do you see what I look like?
Oh, it said vegan cinnamon.
Oh yeah, we tried vegan cinnamon.
Oh.
I don't know what it is about these rims, but I really love these rims right here. I just don't like the offset. Nice rims though. Yeah, TIS. I do love TISs. Light show over here. Souls. And they did them things right though. Honda Del Souls. Trick or treat, yo. With the spoke, the spikes. I seen this truck before. That joint loud. They getting bumper to bumper. I love these rims.
Like my first time here, we were like the first.
I think these are the rims I'm about to get on mine. They look something like that. These are nice. Got the offset too. Wait, oh, these are TIS. That's tough. That's tough. Nice Tahoe. I guess like the last. Got his name, his initials put up there. That's nice. This is nice. This is my goal right here. But I want to hire. Nice. And they are.
What bag could go wrong?
Yes, sir. I love this color too. It's like a mint, olive, whatever. got a wide body kit on it too? Oh my God, it's like a rush. Do y'all see this? Look at the detail in this. Oh my God. This is. Hey, y'all, so many people out here, man. Y'all probably can't hear me because of copyright, but hey, it is what it is. Another damn song. Lift kit you got on here? What's that? 20? Oh yeah. And what size rims? Got the FTS on there. And he got the Rolls Royce stars too.
That is not blue. That shirt is blue. Homegirl.
That's royal blue, baby. That is baby blue.
You wouldn't have experienced fucking rich wearing green.
Okay, and proud.
That's how good I come to.
You win too.
Yeah, but I know that ain't fucking blue.
That is.
Oh, he's a racer. Huh? He's a street race car. Oh, yeah. in the window.
5%.
Right.
Windshield too.
Damn.
Rap on niggas. On fire.
Fastest guy waiting.
No, they got that brand. You know he got that brand. McLaren F1.
I'm about to get a read up, I guess.
I don't know, I just I can't see myself right now.
I just can't get over this truck because I love trucks. Oh, truck. Crazy. Series all over. Oh, here it goes. Oh my God. My dream car, but it's just not a T-top. It's my dream car right here, but oh, I got a Corvette engine in it? No. I don't know what the interior look like on this. Oh yeah.
That's a stick shift.
Oh yeah. I need some better. Hey bro, as y'all can see, this car meet is swole, bruh. Everybody out here. We went to one spot, it was at the mall at first, but nobody was there compared to this. Nobody. Yo, can you do it one more time for my vlog? Hey y'all. Y'all, it's thousands of people out here right now. Easy.
I got hope,
Bro.
Go. Listen. Go. Neutral or park? Neutral or park? We're good for that.
That's the first time I ever seen that on the Challenger. The lit SRT. I ain't never seen that before. I like everything red too. Hey, that potion. Oh, Midnight Post. I heard of them. It's the okay. Call me weird, but this is the first time I ever seen the lit SRT. First time I ever seen that. Very nice touch. Well, let me not say that's my first time seeing it. It's my first time seeing it in person. That makes sense. And this charger right here with the flow lights. Hold on. I gotta take a video and send it to my cousin, cause he just bought one like this. He just bought an orange charger. My orange charger. Hey yo, hints. Here goes my ideas for you. Same color and all. Got the float. Trying to, come on, there you go. Got the flow lights in the headlights, grill. Y'all see it got the fluorescent paint. Y'all can see it change the colors. Ooh! Alright, y'all. I don't know if I can see me or not, but whatever, because it's dark out here. But another great car meet tonight. Good exhaust competition. I'm at a new burnout stuff, but it's all good. We're not going to get into that. But Cuzzo with me tonight. This was his first car meet. What he thought about it? He enjoyed it. So, alright, we about to get out of here because I gotta go meet my wife at my cousin's house. So make sure y'all go below, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can notify every time I drop a video. And I'm about to head out because I probably need gas. But I'm out here. Alright, peace.